Hey people, normally I make just 2 videos in a day, but this video I simply had to make simply since I've had such a good experience with Amazon just now. Like, it's almost making me emotional. Like, there was this particular these set of 6 kurtas I ordered from this company called some company. Okay, it's called Stop, and they sent me only two, of the six, and it was, they charged me 1400 for it, 1424 rupees or something like that, but only two came when six were supposed to come. So I was like, so with great difficulty I found the number and called up customer care, and I almost expected that many a times customer care, they are not so concerned or interested, but this particular representative I spoke to, her name is Ruby Singh. My god, she immediately, like, sometimes like on a human level you can connect with a person, and they kind of understand your problems, and so she did some magic, and basically it is Amazon is kind of taken full responsibility for something that wasn't even their fault, because at some level at the warehouse, whichever the company was, Amazon is just a delivery partner, right? So at the company where that was supposed to send me six kurtas, they sent me only two, but Amazon has taken responsibility, and then they've seen to it that as a customer, I was the refund was made, and it's so sweet that that's what I'm getting emotional, because thank you, Miss Ruby Singh, for there's this whole, I believe in this, they say people who go the extra mile are the ones who will do something extra in their life. They will achieve something, who will be extraordinary. So thank you, Ruby ma'am. This has been such a good experience. So really, you all have won a customer for life. I've become a customer for life because it was so pleasant. They say, right, that यार मुश्किल के वक्त में you can tell the qualities of a person. So Amazon, this particular representative in particular, she stepped up, and she was there for me. So thank you so much, Amazon. I think you all have done an excellent, fabulous job in just picking this one person, Miss Ruby Singh, to be a part of your team, because she upholds whatever Amazon stands for, which is trust and living up to expectations. So thank you, ma'am. It was such a pleasant experience. So beautiful, really. So on that note, see, it's a long video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.